I got Hex Gaming PlayStation 5 controller, and they have stick issue. So the customer said if I can replace the stick with Hall effect, but I'm not sure if this controller accept Hall effect stick. And also he lose the grip, so I will try to use another thumbstick. So before I start, if this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers, so don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. First thing first, I need to open the screws for this controller. I think they have one here and two underneath the button. As you can see guys, this is the first screws, and here the second, and they have two here. They have a ribbon cable, so just be careful. They have three ribbon cables. It looks like four ribbon cables. The last one here. They have a lot of ribbon cable here, so just be careful when you open all these ribbon cables. I just show you what I did. I disconnect this cable, this ribbon cable from this side. Also on this side, they have two connector here. I disconnect also this cable, and I take this cable also, and I open the captain tape and take this part out, and everything should be better than before. This controller is not easy to replace the stick, but we'll try. They have here screws, so I should open it. Alright, this is the board, and they have one cable is connected on this side, so I just need to see what type of stick here. Oh, so it's look like, oh, this stick, it's already Hall effect. I think this controller need collaborate only. Alright, so I only change the thumbstick with regular thumbstick. This is what the customer they want. As you can see guys, I already installed the regular thumbstick. I will return all the part back and test. This side is ready, and let's return this part back. Finally, I return all the ribbon cable. Finally, the controller is finished. I will collaborate it. And the controller is... Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.